What is going on, my S1000R Moto family? Hopefully you guys are doing great. Another day, another vlog. It did say 0% chance of rain, so yeah, it looks pretty good. Yeah. Yep. Me and Luna about to go back to work. It's later in the day, unfortunately. It's yeah, about 3:50, so I am running late. My life. But yep, that's how it is. But without further ado, if you guys haven't seen, if you guys are tuning into my channel now, this is my baby Onyx 2021 S1000RR. Most of you guys have seen her, but a lot of you newcomers have not. So if you are a newcomer, welcome to the channel. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. And yeah, this is my baby 2021 S1000RR. I've only had her for a little bit over a month now. And her name is Luna. So yep, so far I have placed a brand new windscreen, the frame sliders, the exhaust came with it, which is dope. I need to get some headers for it. That's the only thing that I'm looking for that I cannot find. If I do find it, it's at a ridiculous price. So I've added the TST industry lights. Those things were amazing. I did an install video on that with the you know, the license plate in the bottom, and that is basically it. I did mention the windscreen, the lever guards. They also came with the bike, which is kind of dope. So the exhaust and the lever guards, they came like that from the dealership I got this bike from. This is the exhaust, so you guys can see. That's the SE project. I'm keeping that exhaust, that pipe, but I want to get rid of the catalytic converter. Let's go. Yeah, that's nice. Real nice. She sounds good. I feel like it's quieter today for some reason. Like the more I ride her, the quieter she is. 200 more miles and I'll be able to go get the oil change and the bike unrestricted. Let's freaking go. Ah, she's so quiet, man. I can't wait to change out this exhaust. I keep complaining about it, but I found the headers online, but they damn near want close to $3 for some freaking headers. I'm like, for that I just get a full exhaust system. Like, that's ridiculous. This is too much. Like, you guys are, and I don't know what is going on exactly with the with this whole ordeal of the exhaust not being available online, which is, yeah, I don't know. I can't find the headers, and when I do, it's just super expensive. So yeah, I'm whining and complaining. Ooh, the cops are out, baby. Ooh, they are yanking people over. I wonder why. What did you do?
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
I told you, these cops, they don't play. They do not play. Alright, let's gas up. I have not seen this gas gauge go off yet. Like the gas indicator. So this thing is super gas efficient, like ridiculously. My R1 was not at all. That neutral is so hard to find at times. Like, what is the issue there, homie? Let's go. Yes, let's get a car wash today, please. Absolutely. Don't ask me why, but I love the smell of gas. The fumes just gets me going. Num num. Num num. Gluk 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 num num. Num 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 num. Gluk 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 num num. Okay, I made a whole song while at the gas station, and she took $11. I wish my car would fill up with that much. That would have been great, but it is not. Oh, look at this short little... This bike is so smooth, I swear. I don't know. It just freaks me out how smooth it is compared to the R1. That R1 was like, I think I inhaled too much gas fumes because it's, yeah, I can taste it. I can almost taste it. Ooh, dead animal. Ah, poor thing. What was that, a cat? Ah, smell it. Ah. All right, that's a change of smell from gas to dead animal. Roadkill. Ah. Oh, that's gross. Ah, just gives me the heebie-jeebies. Oh, poor little fella. Now, we're not doing too bad. Look at that, 4 o'clock. We should be we should be at work around 4:30. I filled up a lot quicker than I anticipated. Let's go. This is kind of freaky, but it's fun. Woo! Yeah! Let's go! Oh, yeah, let's go, Luna! You got this, baby! Right there, 5,000 or 6,000 RPMs. I can feel my butt vibrating. It's the weirdest feeling. Hey guys. Maybe I should vlog this way. Let me see. Video. What is going on, guys? You see me? There's your daily 100. I don't do that on a daily, so I can't say that. Oh, it's absolutely gorgeous. Oh man, this always makes life better. Riding for me makes life much better. I don't know if it's the same for you guys, but that's where my mindset is at. It feels so good to ride. I love it, prefer it. I was without a motorcycle at one point, and good Lord almighty, I did not like it. I was feeling like a crackhead. I need some wind therapy. Give me wind therapy. Here we are, exiting to Orlando, Florida. And COVID cases are rising, and I don't think I brought my mask. I'd have to check my my trunk and see if I shoved one in there. I should keep one in my jacket. Oh man, dame tu cosita. That's one thing I would have to say. Let me see if I could change what mode. Race mode. Let's do race mode. Let's see. See if that changes. No, the throttle is still like super, I don't know, spongy. dynamic. When I go dynamic, I guess. And this is where I sit and sweat, because that's what the lifestyle is calling for right now. Ooh. Dust. The dust in my eyes. This is the light that takes forever to change, and I'll be sitting here sweating, and by the time I come in, I go into the building, I have boob sweat, because you know I'm not a skinny dude. Oh, what is that? That is clean. Clean. What's going on, buddy? Nice. The frame, did it come that way? Painted? Did you paint it red? I was trying to ask him if he... Sí, sí. Si lo pintaste colorado, ¿tú lo pintaste? No, vino así. Vino así. Oh, wow, ok. Se ve brutal, hermano. Bien brutal. La Suzuki. Wow, yo nunca he visto una motora así. Nunca.
Son bien raras, yo no me topo con alguien que la tenga tampoco.
This guy, come on, dude. Yeah, that's dope. It's always great to connect with other people. That is an interesting bike. He says that it came with the frame, because I was trying to ask him the frame, but he didn't speak English, so of course, you know, I'd bring out the Puerto Rican in me. It was like, yo, did you paint the frame like? Did you paint the frame like that, or did it come stock? And he basically said, no, it came that way stock. They come like that. They have different coloring options too. I'm like, oh, no way, that's dope. I'm almost at work, and then we have tomorrow's Thursday, and then Friday, yeah. And Friday is New Year's. I don't know what I'm gonna do Friday because I'm off that day, so I want to do something. I want to do something. I like riding. I don't want to. I'm social distance because I'm gonna keep I want to keep my distance from people because things are getting out of hand nowadays. We got new regulations coming up. You know, with the social distancing, we'll probably masks required again. Well, the masks are required again. I guess the thing to look at now is, you know, hopefully they don't close businesses down. Alright, let's go on to park this bad boy right here. I'm gonna put you on this side this time. Alright, my S1000RR family, we will chat later at a later time. Deuces.